Hey, Dr. Laura Schwent here, dentist and work-life balance coach. Today we're talking about lifestyle medicine, and this comes to us from the author of Fiber Fueled, Dr. Will Bulsiewicz. He's a board-certified gastroenterologist, and he is a big proponent of eating lots of fiber to help promote good gut health. Now, why is gut health so important? It has been just in the forefront of research in the last several years that good gut health contributes to a better immune system, better mental health, better sleep, better autoimmune health, and even prevents some cancers. And so it's super important to optimize your gut. Now, how can you optimize your gut? Basically, you want to feed your gut what it needs. And that's where Fiber Fueled comes in. So, Dr. B prescribes that we eat a large variety of plants every week. In fact, he says try and aim for 30 different plants every week. All right, so that's one way, making sure you're enriching your diet with lots of different plants. Number two is giving your gut the prebiotics, the food that bacteria needs in there to be able to work on all the other fiber you're giving it. So this can be in the form of apples, bananas, garlic, onions, lentils, beans, and even oats. And then three, we've all heard of probiotics, but probiotics are super important as well. And you can find these in things like sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, even tempeh. And so lots of different ways to feed your gut. And then also to remembering to not put in things that are harmful to our gut, like processed foods, processed meats, dairy, and sugar. And so this is just something that I love to talk about because it puts it in your control, and it's a lifestyle, things that you can do in your lifestyle to promote good health on many different levels. And so I encourage you to remember those little bugs in your gut and feed them, take care of them, love them, nurture them so that they in turn take good care of you. You are the CEO of your life. Now become the boss of your balance. Cheers.